भाई निशित, अरे कहाँ है भाई?
ए अलीमो,
अरे कैसा हुआ भाई?
बढ़िया
क्या चल
रे।
रहा है?
अरे वो मैं तेरे को बोला ना, इंटरव्यू के लिए गया था दूसरी कंपनी में।
अरे हाँ हाँ।
सारे राउंड्स क्लियर हो गए, आज फाइनल राउंड है। कुछ स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू कहते हैं, पता नहीं क्या है वो। क्लियर हो गया तो जॉब पक्की।
हो जाता भाई, पक्का क्लियर। पार्टी देने रेडी रहो। मैं
Sure,
लाल
sure.
लुंगी मरफा पुदीने का हार लेके रेडी रहता हूँ।
श्योर श्योर श्योर।
अरे मैडम, हेलो मैडम।
Hi, Mr. Bigari.
Prepared with the questions?
None of your business.
Din baga pogarekwa. Two questions.
Where is that candidate?
Next question. Next candidate, please. Inta confused చేసి పెడుతుంది. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What are you wearing? Are you here for an interview or are you on your way to Goa? What is this?
Remove it.
Sir, remove.
Madam is telling that don't wear like this just next time.
But ma'am, this is acceptable in my organization, ma'am.
Then just stay there. Why are you coming here?
Ma'am, I've come here for growth, ma'am.
Growth? What growth?
Growth means career growth.
Okay,
Career
okay. Okay.
Okay, sir, can I sit, sir?
Okay, sit down.
Sir, what is this, sir?
Stress interview.
Stress.
Tell us something about yourself.
Yes. Tell.
नाम विजय।
हाँ.
पूरा नाम
हाँ.
विजय दीनानाथ चौहान। बाप का नाम
हाँ.
दीनानाथ चौहान।
अब्बू.
माँ का नाम सुहासिनी चौहान.
अब्बू,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is this, madam?
Yes, ma'am. मैम, आपको कैसे पता मैम? यू नो माय फैमिली मैम।
अग्निपथ सिर्फ तुमने नहीं देखी है.
हाँ, हम दोनों भी मिलके देखे हैं.
गाँव तुम्हारा मांडवा होगा अब.
नो मैम, देयर इज अ स्मॉल चेंज। आई एम फ्रॉम मलकपेट।
No. Madam is telling now, change to Mandwa.
Okay, sir. Once I get the job, I'll relocate. Sure.
Did you get awarded for something in your previous organization?
Yes, ma'am. One award I got, ma'am.
Please tell us.
Okay, once we went for a team outing, ma'am. Entire team.
Ladies also.
Ladies also. I mean, yeah, ladies also. Sir. So one of the boys, he full tight, sir. Tight, you
tight?
understand? After drinking, he got tight, and he jumped into the swimming pool, ma'am. Okay. And he started drowning because he was tight. So I jumped after him. I had to dive very deep
Abba.
to save him. Finally, I saved him and I got an award.
Oh,
ma'am.
super.
What award did you get for this?
What award?
We have a leadership principle, ma'am. Dive deep.
Oh,
I got an award.
very nice, ma'am. Madam angry.
Do we look like idiots to you? What kind of
does madam
ridiculous
look like an
answer is
idiot?
this?
No, absolutely not.
Where do you see yourselves 5 years down the line?
In your chair, madam. That is not my question. Your question, stupid fellow. You should ask.
Sir, okay. 5 years down the line.
What are your strengths?
Strengths, ma'am. Overconfidence.
Abba,
Sorry, my confidence. My confidence.
What are your weaknesses?
ladies.
Sir, no, not ladies, sir.
My question is, what is your opinion on ladies empowerment?
Women empowerment.
Okay,
women
women empowerment is nothing but.
Answer quickly.
Come on!
Ma'am, you're not giving me a
This is
chance.
stress interview. What else you want from madam?
No, sir, I'm not asking for that. Sir,
Things I have to put up with.
Control.
Do you have any questions for us?
oh yes, ma'am. Lot of questions.
Abba, you don't have answers, but you have questions.
Some questions I have, ma'am.
Ask.
Ma'am, once I get a job to come to office, will I get a cab, ma'am?
Very
Good
good
question.
question, huh?
Thank you.
There is a transport facility where we are giving bus pass.
Bus pass.
Not bus pass. Bus pass.
Pass. Bus pass.
You just need to pay 3,000 only.
3,000 for bus
Yeah.
pass. And I have to
Special
come in
offer
RTC
from our
bus.
company.
RTC bus, sir.
RTC bus only. What you want? AC bus, Volvo bus? Stupid
Sir.
fellow.
Okay, leave that, sir. I have my own bike, ma'am. I'll come on my bike, two-wheeler. But do we have parking and security, ma'am, to take care of my bike?
See,
Parking.
we have In-Orbit Mall. Go there, park your bike, and come walking to office.
Madam,
Yes.
In-Orbit Mall is like 3.5 kilometers
Yes, we
away.
care about our employees' health. Every day they need to walk at least 6 kilometers. That's why we kept our parking in Orbit Mall.
Yep.
Okay, leave that. Ma'am, what about cafeteria, ma'am? Cafeteria facility?
Cafeteria, you should bring your own tiffin box. There is no cafeteria, gifteria. After that also, you should give us the tiffin box. If anything is left out, you can eat. If not, that also you give us.
Okay. Important thing. Leaves. How many leaves will I get, sir? In
In
1 year?
that area, we are not missing, okay?
I'll tell you.
Every week you have 2 leaves.
Sir, every week 2 leaves, sir. Oh my God, sir. This is the kind of organization I was looking for, sir. Every week 2 leaves, sir.
Let's go,
Super,
overacting
sir.
there.
Super.
Ah.
Super, sir. 2 leaves.
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday,
Saturday and Sunday. Holidays only, na?
That is weekend, sir. I'm talking about.
Sir, here we call them as leaves.
Sir, what if I fall sick, sir? How will I apply for a sick
Fall
leave?
sick on Saturday, take another leave on Sunday.
Sir, how can I apply for a leave on Saturday and Sunday, sir?
We have a tool, ma. It will only allow you to apply on Saturday and Sunday. Yes, to tell you that also you don't know.
Sir, what I asked is not very important for me, sir. Important thing is salary, sir.
Important.
So I have a very bad experience with my current organization, sir. So please don't keep me in the dark, sir. Okay? Please disclose everything. Like
Okay,
after all the deductions, sir.
Ah.
Like PF, GF, BF, all
BF
that.
also.
Yeah, all deductions, sir. Please don't exclude anything.
Well,
After all GST, PST, IST, everything, sir. How much will I get, sir?
you have a salary, but you will not get. You should give us 50 rupees.
Sir, I am working for the organization. I have to give you salary, sir.
Yeah,
What?
how will this organization work?
We give you job, you give us salary.
That's it. Arey, we forgot one more, madam. Do you need a chair to work or you will sit down and work?
Sir, I'll come with iron clothes, sir. I cannot sit on the floor and
You
work.
need a chair, na?
Yes.
Pay 100 rupees extra. 150 rupees in total.
Sir, for chair 100 rupees extra, what
Arey, you
nonsense,
got
sir.
a job. We will
No,
give
no,
you a
sir, I don't
job.
want this job. I'm,
Hey, Babu, you got a job.
no, I don't. I'm not looking for this kind of a job.
But this fellow also gone. Chalo. Job openings. Anyone else? Lights out, Naina.